Okay, so hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about charitable giving. Okay, so we're learning about financial, not about being good giving charitable. Okay, it's not about giving charity. But let me explain. So charitable giving is referred to when you make a contribution to cause or organization that you believe in, such as a church, the Red Cross, or Habitat of Humanity. It's a way for you to do some good by helping others. Yes, so that's charitable giving. But it doesn't have anything to do with financial yet. Well, well, charitable giving can be a tax deduction too. Deductionable. So meaning that you pay less taxes when you donate it to charity. So let's say you got $38,000 and you want to pay them, you want to give gifting to charity, so you donate them the money. Yes, then you donate them the money. Then you can pay lesser tax. You can pay less tax. Okay, so when you give to charitable organization, you can deduct the amount of the gift from your gross income up to 50% of your gross income. Yes, only up to 50%, because if it's more, then you can't be able to survive. So, for example, your gross income is $100,000. Let's say $100,000 because it's big and it's good to calculate it. So yeah, it's better to calculate it. So your gross income is $1,000. $1,000. So you want to know how much money is 50%. Well, we know $1,000, $100,000 equal 50, equal 100%. So 50% would equal $50,000. That's right. So thus you can deduct it to $50,000 in your charitable contribution. So if you give a charity, you can, but then you don't have to give up to 50% of your income, because you might wonder, well, but you don't want to give away like half of your gross income. Well, you can donate. You can give to charity. You can donate to charity lesser than 50%. You can pay less. You can donate less. Yes. So now let's practice. Alexander Alexander has a gross income of $100,000. He makes a charitable donation of $75,000. How much of this donation is tax deductible? So you can only deduct a donation. So his donation is tax deductible is only about $50,000. Only go to that, because you see his gross income is $100,000, and you can only donate it about up to 50%. Yes, you can only donate up to 50%. So 50% is about this. What does it mean when a charitable deduction? What does it mean when a charitable donation is tax deductible? What does it mean when a charitable donation is tax deductible? A. You pay the same amount of taxes even when you give to charity. B. You pay less taxes because of the money you give to the charity. C. You pay more taxes because of the money you give to the charity. Okay, so if you pay some amount of the taxes, then we would pay lesser. We would if you give away some of the money to charity, then we would pay less tax, not more tax, or the same amount of tax, because now the percent of taxes you have to pay is now lesser. So it's now like lesser, yes, so you don't have to pay the same amount, and you don't have to pay more because you don't receive more money. So, and B, you pay less taxes because the money you give to charity is the right answer. Not A and not C. I want you to do this by your own. Because it just said log out. Yes. By the way, you can maybe the next time someone was wondering if they should give to charity, you can give some a bit of advices. I'm pretty sure you can do that, and also do this too. You can do it, or you won't do it. You can just like murmur in your head like I do. Okay, so thank you for coming and have a wonderful day.